Hey, Ed.
Hi.
What are you up to?
Well, we kept them in here so that we could fix the gate they came in to eat.
Can't hear you.
We wanted to trap them back in here because there's no grass left in the pastures.
Right.
Except for our 2 fields. So they came in, we got lucky, I locked them in, then I had to fix stuff over there so they didn't get out. And then I just opened this up so they can go over to that area. But they don't want to come by me right now because I got ivermectin on them before and they were running from me. So they're staying away.
What do you think about the herd this year?
Yeah, we got a lot of calves.
A lot of bulls, right?
Yeah. More I don't know how many exactly, but we got more bulls than heifers.
Oh, so they know the gate's open. Here they come. Here comes the parade. Here's the parade. We get to see the whole herd now.
I think they're going back to the pasture right now.
Yeah. Wait till they get out there and find out they're only going so far. All right, ladies, looking proud. Looking proud. Whoops, don't spook now. You don't need to get trampled here.
Trying to stay as close to that fence.
Yeah. There's your little mama and baby. All right, take it easy, girls. Don't spook. Look at this one, the baby hiding right.
Bull.
There's a lot of bulls. Look at this parade. Oh boy, you're beautiful. Oh, there's a little fella. And mama coming in, blocking the way. Very protective of their babies. They're all good moms. Come on, look at this parade. Wow, gorgeous. Come on, oh, here's the lead cow. She's a big one. Look at her. It's okay. Not gonna bother you.
Little brown cow here.
Oh, a little fella coming up on his own. A little brown cow. How now, brown cow?
A little bull.
Little bull. Go catch up. Go catch up.
Is it? No, that's a heifer.
Oh, that's not even all of them. They left some of the babies behind.
Man, they're fighting in here right now.
The babies.
They had 3 heifers and 1 bull. These are probably bulls all hanging out together.
Yeah. Hi. Hey, puppies. Hello, little ones. Don't leave them alone in the nursery. I know they're safe up here. Hey. We have a new watering system. Eddie put it in last year. This goes all winter, all year long. Big job, but it was well worth it. It goes all underground, over to the post. It's fed underground. It never freezes. Coldest of winters. So you don't have to worry about watering it all during the winter, which is big bonus. You want to drink some water, little one? There you go. He's a beat. That was a sneeze. I'm a little allergic to all the dust. Oh, don't be afraid. You're the woolly bully? Cute. Oh, who poked their head out of the barn?
Huh.
You been in there all by yourself? Come on out and join the party. We're having a hoedown here. Look at them all. How many are here? I saw 3 go out. 10 here? We're missing a couple. They might be in the barn.
Yeah, 4 went out.
Oh, 4 went out?
They're all out here right now.
There's all 14. So 10 in here and 4 went out. Coming around. Hey! Look at the nursery. She's mad now because she thought she. Oh no, they're out under the willow. They're way out over there.
He's bawling.
Yelling.
Screaming at him.
Screaming at him. You're a good farmer, Ed.
We did good. We're good so far.
You should see
It'd be
Ed.
nice when we get this thing all cleaned up.
He worries all the time.
Getting rid of the fencing, the wood.
Yeah, we're gonna put new
And
fencing.
have all corral fencing in the middle.
Get this green stuff. It's a lot safer. These wooden fences have seen better days.
Then we're gonna get the crowding tub too. to
Yeah.
be able to get them in the alley. So when we work them, it's a lot easier.
What does it mean to work them? She's
Work them when
hollering.
we send them through the alleyway.
What's going on? She don't like him. She's like, come on, babies. Let's move it.
Is that her calf?
She's the sergeant. She's like, move it out.
They're all coming back now.
You too? You got something to say? They're all coming back. Right to the herd.
She's mad. She's like, I've been calling you.
I've been calling you. Oh, there he goes. Spunky. I've been calling you. When I call, you come. He yelled so loud the little one closed his eyes. What, you coming up? You got something to say too? Look at them all monkeying back in. You know what I think? I think they saw that the other gate's locked and they're not going anywhere. They came back for more hay. Little fella, what are you doing over here? You're not so little anymore. He's staying out of the fray. You're a little woolly still. You gotta slick up. It's been cold. You'll probably get all slick and shiny like those over there in another week or so. She does have a loud fellow. I just love this little brown one. Oh, he's cute. He really stands out because he's brown.
There they go again.
Going back out, bringing the babies this time? All right. See you later. All right. Come get the little ones. You don't trust us up here with them, huh? Come on, little fella. Come on. Go ahead. Follow your mama. She's
Like when I call you, you come.
And I mean it. Next time, don't make me come back here. Don't make me come back here and get you next time. They come. They're not rushing though. Look at her. She's like, I meant it. Don't make me come back for you. She's mad. She's like, come on, let's go. And I say jump, you say how high. He's like, yeah, all right. Little bull. Look at his little pink. He's got a little white tail. Little white tail.
Actually came and got her cat.
He came back and get him. To get him. That's funny, huh? Good mama. You're a good mom. What number is she? Number 16.
Does his tag say 16?
Yeah, she's 16.
This one right here?
No, the big one.
What's the calf?
Oh, the calf? I don't know. This is 2501. The woolly one.
Okay. So
He's the oldest bull. He's the first one born. Look at her. She came back just to get them all. It's like, let's go. We're on the move. Cowtown. So funny. All right, girls. See y'all later. All gone. You don't put another bale out?
yeah, I think we will just put it right on top of this.
You don't think that's a waste?
Well, they'll eat it. This is all good still.
Yeah.
But, well, maybe they'll come back up later and start eating again. I'll just tell Eric to put it out.
Beautiful day.
Yeah, it's up here by itself.
You know I'm going to complain about the chemtrails because they went hard this morning. It should be blue like that, but there's just chemicals everywhere. Sprayed so hard. Look at the far away. It's all white.
They got some sloppy pool right now.
Look at these trails. They're all fading now, but they were going hard, like crisscross pattern all morning. And now it's starting to stratify. See how that one's spreading out? Ugh. Can't think too hard about it. I trust God. Some beautiful clouds over there. The way nature intended it. Normal. Alright. That's the update. I think that was a good one. We got to see the whole herd. What are you doing down here? She's still hollering. Huh?
I think she wants back out.
Yeah. Okay. She wants to go back out into the pastures. She's not happy.
Get over it.
Sorry guys, you ate all the grass. You ate it too fast. You gotta wait a little bit now. There is those other 2 pastures we could let them in. Not to think about that. We do have 2 other hay fields, but we were trying to hold off.
We'll wait till we come back up.
Yeah. All right.